I was not able to prepare fully for the government sector while I was working, and that's why I quit the job and then fully focused on my preparation.
Banking always intrigued me. It was always there in the back of my mind. So after working for some time, I started preparing for it.
I have completed now my 30 age, and for SO the age limit is 30. And I had to pass by hook or crook.
The Maths English, which we study for bank exams, is from the school syllabus. Completed my schooling in 2008 actually. So I wasn't very sure that I could clear the bank exams.
And actually I was supposed to leave TCS, and few people were having like misconceptions. Okay, fine, why are you leaving IT? It's such a good company and going to banking. So I was like, no, this is my dream and I will go for it. And it took me time.
I was made to know TalentSprint by a friend. She also joined TalentSprint and she was really doing well in bank exams. So I joined in the TalentSprint last year.
The best thing about the online program is like you can watch the same video in n number of times.
Mentors are amazing. Like Rohit sir and Salvia ma'am and also Gayatri ma'am now, GVK sir, they all are very good quality mentors.
Whenever you have any single query, you get immediate support from TalentSprint side.
Started giving the mock test. This really helped me in increasing my speed and accuracy.
I was dumbstruck actually after seeing the results, and my father, my mother, they hugged me, they were so happy, and obviously tears of joy after that.
I just prayed to God and opened the results myself, and I was really elated that my roll number was there in the final list.
I have qualified IBPS, RRB, Officer Scale 1.
I cleared SBI PO 2017
and I got a call letter from Andhra Bank, and I am a PO right now.